Click on the link below to get price. The electric bike for adults with a powerful 1500W 3000W peak motor is a remarkable piece of machinery that caters to both commuting and adventurous off-road riding. Its robust fat tires are designed for all-terrain capabilities, allowing riders to conquer various surfaces, from city streets to rugged mountain trails. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its impressive motor power. With a peak output reaching up to 3000 W, the bike delivers exhilarating acceleration and speed, making it perfect for those who crave a thrilling ride. Whether you're navigating uphill or cruising on flat ground, the bike maintains a smooth performance, effortlessly tackling challenging terrains. The throttle response is quick yet controlled, providing a seamless transition from pedaling to electric assistance. The fat tires, typically measuring 4 inches in width, play a crucial role in stability and traction. They grip the ground effectively, which is especially beneficial during wet or loose conditions. This feature not only enhances safety but also contributes to the overall comfort of the ride. Riders can confidently take on snow, sand, or gravel without feeling anxious about losing control. Battery life is another significant consideration, and this electric bike does not disappoint. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, it offers an impressive range on a single charge. Depending on riding conditions and assist level, users can expect anywhere from 30 to 60 miles before needing to recharge, making it suitable for longer adventures or daily commutes. The design is equally noteworthy, with a sturdy frame that supports a smooth ride, adjustable seat for comfort, and a user-friendly display that provides essential information such as speed, battery level, and distance traveled. The inclusion of front and rear disc brakes ensures reliable stopping power, enhancing overall safety. In conclusion, the electric bike for adults, with its powerful motor, excellent fat tires, and robust design, is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to explore diverse terrains. It combines performance, comfort, and style, making it a worthwhile investment for both casual riders and thrill seekers alike.